Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Talkback on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So in order to do that, first we need to open the settings. If you for instance are in the home screen, then you can use two fingers in order to scroll up in order to access the app drawer. Then you can tap on settings icon once and then double tap in order to proceed. So this is how Talkback works. You can tap once on an option and then double tap in order to confirm your choice. Now, over here in the settings, we need to scroll pretty much all the way down. So once again, use two fingers in order to scroll. We cannot scroll with just one finger because if you try to do, then as you can see, it doesn't work. So use two fingers. Then go to accessibility. So select it once and then double tap. Now over here, you want to tap on Talkback and of course double tap again. And now tap on the switcher at the top of the screen and then double tap. Tap on turn off and double tap to confirm that we want to turn off this option. And there we go, Talkback is now disabled and we can once again use our smartphone with just one finger. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!